Hello friends, let's start doing unfixed iteration under the topic of iteration through loops. We have already done the for loops in our last lecture. Now today we are going to do unfixed iteration. Let us recap what was unfixed and fixed iteration. Fixed iteration was those where we know the number of iterations, and unfixed iterations means we don't know how many times loop is going to execute in unfixed iteration. My dear friends, under fixed iteration we have already done the for loops, and now under unfixed iteration we are going to do while loop and do while loop. Now first of all, let us discuss the difference between while loop and do while loop. Similarity you already know. What is the similarity? Both are unfixed iteration. Now the difference is while loop is known as entry control loop and do while loop is known as exit control loop. Now second difference is the loop will not execute even once. Here in while loop, if the condition is true, only depending upon that the loop is going to execute. If the condition is false, the loop is not going to be executed even for one time. Here on the other hand, under do while loop, once loop has to be executed if the condition is true or false. I mean, irrespective of the condition being true or false, minimum once the loop is going to be executed. Why? Because the test condition is after the execution body of the loop. Now what is the third what is the third difference? Here under while loop, it checks the condition first. We are going to do syntax. You will come to know that first of all it is going to check the condition. Here the condition is on the top, and on the other hand in do while condition is at the bottom. So that's why the third difference is it checks the condition first and it checks the condition last. First of all it will execute the body of the loop. Now my dear friends, let's check out the flow chart. Flow chart of while loop is it will check the condition true. If the condition is true, then it is going to process the statements. If the condition is false, no means it's not true, and then the loop will be terminated, means loop will stop. On the other hand, under do while loop, here is the flow chart. First of all, it is going to process few statements, and if then it is going to check the condition. If the condition is true, then loop will go again this side and it is going to execute process statements. And if the condition is no, condition is false, if this condition is false, then the loop is going to be terminated, loop will stop. Now my dear friends, let's check the syntax, difference in the syntax of both the statements, both the loops. Now syntax is while condition, then these are the braces opening and closing, and here is the body of the loop. I mean the statements need to be processed. It can be 1, it can be n. On the other hand, look over here, syntax under the do while loop, it is going to, we are going to write keyword do, and then there are the braces, and in the braces we are going to write the statements or group of statements. Now on the bottom, after this loop gets finished, we are going to check the condition. We are going to write while condition. And my dear friends, you should note down one difference, and the students more often does mistake over here. Here you should check that there is no semicolon here, and here there is semicolon. There is a great difference, and students more often do the mistake over here in putting the semicolon. So in entry controlled, after while statement there is no semicolon, and in exit control, I mean do while loop, there is a semicolon after the while statement. Now let's take the example and check the difference between both the loops. First of all, let's take the example of while loop. Here int p is equal to 1000 comma r is equal to 10, t is equal to 1. Second statement, double p is equal to 0.0, si is equal to 0.0. These are two statements where we have done two works. One is declaration, other is initialization. Now the semicolon. Then here while p is less than equal to 10,000. Now this is the body of the loop. Here we are doing computation statement, you already know, simple interest formula, and then p is equal to p plus si. It is going to add the value of simple interest into the principal, and then it is going to put those value in the principal, I mean to say p, and then it is going to give the output system.out.print p. On the other hand, you are going to see the difference now. Here we have given the condition on the top of the loop while p is less than equal to 10,000. So the loop will be executed and p's value will continuously be increased. When the p's value will be 10,000, then the loop is going to be stopped. Now on the other hand, you check the difference, first two statements, or it can be written in one statement also, declaration statement altogether we can write once, and then here int p is equal to same 1000, r is equal to 10, t is equal to 1, principal rate and time, double p is equal to 0.0 and simple interest is equal to 0.0. Do, here this is the keyword do, and then opening bracket, then this is the computation statement, simple interest formula. After that, this is the p is equal to p plus si. It is going to add the value of simple interest, whatever being calculated in this computation statement, and it is going to add that value in principal and store it again in the p variable. Now then system.out.print p. This is the output statement. Lastly, you will see the difference over here. While statement is on the bottom, while condition, this is p is less than equal to 10,000, and then the semicolon. My dear friends, now this is the difference between while and do while. The purpose is same, that depending upon the program is going to decide how many times the loop is going to be executed. So that's why it is known as unfixed iteration. That's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.